Seven heavens are mighty high. Hell is low. We're serving it up with the Trevix and a standard pointer. Nice. That's a hard barrel. Well, I kind of seems like quite the tough guy. Well, I guess we're going to see how tough you really are. I forgot I was filming. I left it on black and white. That's okay. We're going to Sans palm it up with the Trevix. Now, it didn't punch right through it, but definitely made a cracky hole. Alright, the big test. Is it see-through? Yeah, I think it is. Woo! Penetration. That is a red-headed plastic tip we're going to try for fun. Just a quick visual of the girls making all that noise. Her name is Trevix. And she could be a nasty bitch when she wants. Wow. Yeah, plastic tips look a lot worse than they really are. It's really just a lot of messed up paint and a dent. That one's way deeper. And that one deeper still. Yo, take care, love God, be grateful. I'm out with a daisy pointer. Woo! Alright, nice freaking dent. Swiss cheese in no time, huh? This here is a hollow tip Crossman, .177 caliber, and it made that hole with the gun. Crossman F4. Traveling 1200 feet per second, it was able to pass through the box and make a little dent on the other side. This is a very heavy old ammo box. It's hardcore. Wonder what a steel tip Sans palm gonna do. AKA his dum-dum pellet. Alright, there's nothing. A little surprise. Get in the right spot. Ooh. That was loud. Whoa, hit it a lot harder. You know what? Maybe we should see if it hit something on the inside. Surprise! It's an apple with 3 layers of duct tape. No, 4 layers of duct tape. Through the apple? Oh yeah, I feel it right there. Blow the back out. And applesauce. So that would definitely, without the apple there, I would have passed through both and into the styrofoam. Take care. God bless. And be grateful. Please shoot responsibly. Yeah, I decline any responsibility for anybody who claims that they did anything irresponsibly after watching any of my video journals. And yes, my content is primarily for adults. Yo, just take responsibility for your own shit and don't blame me for nothing.